If you're anything like me and you live in the UK, you'll have lately had this conversation.
Sorted me right out. It was wonderful.
Yeah, man. Bit of sun makes all the difference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you for why that is. All around us, at least in the northern hemisphere, nature is blooming. Even if you only look around where I live, you've got all sorts going on, including rapeseed along the river, and right next to the rapeseed is cow parsley. Everywhere you look is hawthorn blossom. That's the one with the tiny little white flowers at this time of year. And then there's bluebells and loads of other stuff. So, with that in mind, Balsam Bashing is proud to present our top 3 very, very easy nature or conservation related type activities and or advice spring. Algorithm that. Number 1, go and find a bench. Now, granted, this is a world-class bench. We're very lucky, it's only about a 10-minute walk away from us. 15
minutes.
15-minute walk away from us, to be clear. But it doesn't have to be this. Have a look around. You'll be surprised where you'll find a tiny park or a community garden or something you can just sit and enjoy. In fact, I'm such a fan of benches that I'm going to make you a promise. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers on this channel, I'm going to give away to every single one of those followers a PDF copy of my A-level photography project, Crap Benches. Number 2, because it's April and the sun's coming out, no matter where you look, all around is Himalayan Balsam, baby. Sorry, that should be Himalayan Balsam babies. I thought that was a bit out of character. Now look, I'm not going to bang on about it, but it's very exciting times here at Balsam HQ. Little baby Himalayan balsams are popping up all over the place. So what can you do about it? I would recommend having a look around, having a search for a local voluntary group. There's loads of them out there. Doing it in a group is so much more satisfying because you can get loads done in just a day. Or you could just watch our film about it. Number 3. In this shop is a plant species which is in my top 5 species of all species. Can you guess what it is? 3, 2, 1. Dandelions. Dandelions are like the balsam of the garden. No matter what you do, they will always appear. But there's a lot of difference. For one, whereas Himalayan balsam has shallow roots, dandelions get right down in there. Balsam roots are usually a couple of inches, but dandelions are typically between 6 and 12 inches, stirring up that soil soup, sending nutrients up and down, even in places where you'd think nothing would grow. Himalayan balsam was brought over from India to be a garden curiosity, and then it got out of hand, escaping by mistake and drowning woodlands everywhere it goes. Dandelions, on the other hand, were deliberately taken, probably on board the Mayflower, from Europe to America because of their amazing properties. For starters, you can eat the whole thing. Every part of a dandelion is nutritious. Albeit not that tasty, but it was essential for a lot of European history. In fact, even though they're not native to the Americas, they're not even considered an invasive species. They live alongside anything wherever they go, and dandelions are brilliant for pollinators. Bright yellow flowers, whenever you get even a hint of sun, means that these plants tick all the boxes. So please, if you can, spare some room for dandelions. Don't kill them. Definitely don't spray them with chemicals. Just let them be if you've got the room. I'd go as far as to say that dandelions are genuinely beneficial!